1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
You know that moment when you're starving, your food finally arrives, and then you look at the plate and think, wait, I can't eat this? That happened to me last weekend, and it got awkward really fast.
Oh no, that's the worst when you're already hungry. Was it something you just didn't like, or something you actually couldn't eat?
Something I definitely couldn't eat. I ordered pasta, and when the waiter put it down, I noticed peanuts on top. I'm allergic to peanuts, so I just froze for a second.
Wait, seriously? That could have been dangerous. Were peanuts listed on the menu, or was it not clear what was actually in the dish?
That was the problem. The menu mentioned a special sauce, but didn't explain the ingredients. I was hungry and excited to order, so I didn't think to ask.
So did you notice the peanuts before you started eating? Please tell me you hadn't already taken a bite.
Luckily, I noticed just in time. I had my fork in my hand when I saw them. I called the waiter over and asked, "Does this contain peanuts? I'm allergic to them."
That must have been stressful. Did the waiter know right away, or did he have to go back and check with the kitchen?
He wasn't sure, which made me nervous. He went to ask the chef, and when he came back, he confirmed there were peanuts in the sauce.
Wow, good thing you checked. What did you say then? I always feel awkward when I have to send food back.
I felt awkward too. I said, "I didn't realize this had peanuts. I can't eat them. Is it possible to change my order?"
That sounds completely reasonable. How did he react? Sometimes you worry the waiter is going to think you're being difficult.
Thankfully, he was really understanding. He apologized, took the plate back, and said I could choose something else from the menu.
That's a relief. But after that, I'd be nervous about choosing another dish. Did you know what you wanted instead?
Honestly, no. I didn't trust myself anymore. So I asked, "What do you recommend instead?" I definitely didn't want another surprise.
Smart move. So what did he recommend? And did you make him double-check the ingredients this time?
Absolutely. He suggested grilled chicken with potatoes and vegetables, and I asked, "Could you please check that it doesn't contain any nuts?"
I would have done exactly the same thing, but I'm guessing everyone else at your table was already eating by then.
They were, and that was probably the most awkward part. One friend even stopped eating to wait for me, and I kept saying, "Please eat, your food is getting cold."
Oh, I know that feeling. People are trying to be nice, but somehow it makes you feel even more awkward. Were your friends understanding?
Totally. One friend told me she's allergic to shellfish and always mentions it before ordering. That made me realize I should probably do the same.
Definitely. It's much easier to say, "I'm allergic to peanuts. Could you please check?" before you order than deal with a problem afterward.
Exactly. About 15 minutes later, my new meal finally arrived. The waiter said, "We checked everything with the kitchen. This one is nut-free."
Okay, after all that stress, I need to know one thing. Was the replacement meal actually good?
That's the funny part. It was delicious. I actually liked it more than the pasta. So it had a happy ending. But next time, I'm definitely mentioning my allergy before I order.